Oh, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Binance. It's a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. So first of all, open the Binance app. So here you can see different options down there: market, trade, futures and wallets. In wallets you see that positive button, so when you go to deposit button you can see two options: crypto or gas. So if you want deposit money on finance from your bank account or any other course, you can choose by cash. So here we can see different currencies from, so let's say we choose here to pay to P. You can go to the filter and you can also select the payment time limit. So here we the amount around 1500 and confirm. They show you the limit above 1500 or 1500 almost, so where you can buy a UK, enter the amount 1500. So by which 0 fiat. Okay, so here you have to send in money from your account. So here my payment method is Easy Passo. So here make payment and I will copy his Easy Better account number and transfer 1500 rupees to which account, and when the money is deposited we can trust best button transport not buy seller, and he sent the crypto amount of 1500 rupees into your Binance account.